Hey, what's going on? It's Nathan Resnick, the founder and CEO of Sourcify. Today I'm going to teach you how to go from idea to a finished product. I probably have an idea in your head that you've wanted to turn into a manufactured product. That's what we do at Product Sourcing School. Literally, we take drawing ideas that look just like this, and in our 48-hour rendering, we turn them into product that looks like this. And then we teach you how to go out and find your own factory to produce your product. We have sourcing teams in China, Vietnam, India, and Pakistan, completely diversified across Asia to turn this rendering into an actual finished product that looks like this. We then teach you how to launch on Kickstarter, Shopify, or Amazon, where you can scale up and become one of the members of our community that does 6, 7, or even 8 figures a year in revenue. It's incredible to see the 97% success rate we've had with over 1,300 students going through product sourcing school. They all end up generating hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. It's incredible to see. I want you to be next. And so what I'm giving you right now is a free training. We're going to teach you how to go from an idea to a product in as little as 90 days. Click the link right here to sign up. And I hope you have a great day and look forward to seeing you in the webinar.